Hello everyone, this is Famous from CONFIDE I.C.T. You are welcome to Excel tutorial. Before we start, we want to know some things about Excel. Things like the definition of Excel, Microsoft Excel, a brief history of Excel, and what Excel can be used for. Excel is a spreadsheet, Microsoft spreadsheet package. Excel itself is a Microsoft spreadsheet package used for calculating, processing, and analyzing statistical data. Excel was introduced in the year 1985 by Microsoft, which comprised of the drop-down menu, also known as point and click, which was only available in Macintosh. Excel also has a graphical user interface features. Then let's look at the uses of Excel. Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis. It is used across all business functions and companies, from small to large scale businesses. The main use for Excel include the data entry, the management system, the accounting, the financial analysis, the charting and graphing, the programming. That programming, I find it so interesting. Excel can also be used for programming. It can also be used for time management, task management, financial modeling, customer relation management. Almost anything that needs to be organized, Excel can be used for them all. With all these features and uses of Excel, you can understand Excel is a very powerful program. Excel, there is an application that I'll be able to develop with the help of Excel, and is working very well. This program includes the electronic results and some other accounting stuff that I'll be able to do with Excel. So without further, let me show you what we'll be looking at in some of the programming or some of the application we'll be developing with the use of Excel. When we go to this school, let me go to my desktop, cards, then let's look for school results system, and this first and second. Let me look at second term. We have Kings Hill, then the result templates. Let's look at GSS1. This is an Excel as a spreadsheet, which is Excel in Microsoft program. So we're able to build application like this application for a school. This application has four sections, 1, 2, 3, and there are 4 because there is one hidden one that is not supposed to be tampered with. That's not supposed to be tampered with. So with the help of the Excel, we were able to develop this. Then this name is where the student name is to be entered. Take for instance, you have Adesua Clement. Call it Clement. Adesua Clement. If any name you enter, it's okay. You enter the name. The number of attendance can be, take for instance, you just call it 12. Number in class, can call it 23. Then next term school fees, can say 40,000 naira, 45,000. 6 is already there. Enter. Then select teacher's comments. Select this teacher comments. You can select teacher's comment to be like this. A diligent student, keep it up. You can indicate it. All these features can display in this result booklet. You can see the Adesiwa Clements. Number of times school open. I know we don't indicate that average. No figures, scores have been entered for the child. Number in class is 23. Number of attendance is 12. Session 2023/2024 academic session. Term, second term. Position, first position. Out of 1. Out of how many students? 1 student. Do you know why it's 1? Because we only imputed one name. Take for instance, there are now 2 names. Take call it Iva Dojemu, Ivagbe, Jerome. Call it number of attendance 100. Number in class, you can say 21. School fees, can say 46, 1, 2, 3. Then scroll down. Be more polite. Come to this result booklet. This is the result booklet that is to be given to the child. You can see this out of position will still remain first. Out of what? Out of 2. The more you enter this course value, the more this number increase. Because we have 2, that is why you are seeing the 2 there. What if there were 3? Just type any random name there. You can see this is the power of Excel. Excel is a very powerful program. So we keep going on, and the more you enter, and this place, it will be filling up, keep filling up with the various names. This is one of the program application we will be able to develop with Excel. So this is one of the things we'll be looking at after some time. So it's a spreadsheet package, like we have said, used for calculating and analyzing statistical data. That's one of the reasons I will keep respecting the Microsoft company for giving us a very versatile program and very versatile and powerful program like Excel. So what I will do, I will clear all this. I don't need this information. Or take for instance, now let's go on to impute other information we may want to see. Now in this Adesiwa Clements, let's just put some figure. First, you only have first term and exam. Sorry, test and exam. There. Take for instance, you have the child score 25 in the test, and the exam score 36. You can see the total right there. In mathematics, then look at English. You have 20, and in test 20 in test, exam is 45. Total is right there. Let's look at Ivagbe Jerome. Ivagbe Jerome scored what? 20 in test and 50 in the exam. The next one, in English, he scored what? 15 in test and 25. Let's say, okay, 25 in the exam. So let's see who will likely come out to be the first position, to take the first position. One is 126, score 126. The other score what? 110. Okay, let's look at the first position. You can see the Adesiwa Clement with a total record, the total score of what? Adesiwa Clement with a total score of what? 126. Okay, Adesiwa Clement took the first position. Okay, let's check the booklet itself. Okay, the first position Adesiwa Clement, you can see for yourself. Then let's go down. The other one, Ivagbe Jerome. Can see the position to the second position. Out of 4 students, how is it 4 students? There are 4. So can see the powerful, the beautiful program we were able to develop with Excel. What about the teacher's comment? We enter, be polite. But because the child failed, that is why, because the child failed, that is why we are having that principal's comment. Otherwise, it would have automatically updated itself. That's how powerful. This program is Excel. So what I will do next is to clear the information, delete. As for this, take it back to select. This, take it back to select. That's about that. Save it. Then, is there any other information we need to clear? Yes, we are clearing the scores. Let it be that way. This is a beautiful program we're able to make with Excel. So you can as well contact us for us to make application like this for you. I mean, for the school teachers anywhere in the world. If you can get, it's offline. If we can get your email, your WhatsApp number, having something like this or building something like this for your school will not be a problem. At least you should encourage your teachers to make their job easier. This application is very efficient and user friendly. If you contact me, I don't mind making a special tutorial video about the operation, the user guides. And anytime you are having some challenges, I will always be there to render some assistance so as to effectively use it. So if you are talking of time consumption redundancy, time consumption, yes, you don't have to consume your time with this. After all, it's offline. Once you are updating, it's updating straight. You don't have to complain or to worry over internet for the fact that internet is good, it's not good. That's not your business, because will be working offline and all your results will be accurate. Okay, what we encourage your result to be accurate is, if you look at this booklet, in that result, in one of the booklet now, you will discover that the test is 40, the exam is what? 100. That's what is, sorry, the test is 40, the exam is 60. That's what is required. So eventually the teacher or the user is imputing 41 instead of 40. You can see it's calling the teacher or the user to order values higher than 40, cancel to impute correct values. Now if you now enter 40 itself, it will accept it. What about examination? 60 is required, and instead of 60 you are going about entering 61 or thereabout. You can see now it's calling the user to order value higher than 60, cancel to impute correct values. This is how beautiful it is. That's how beautiful it is. It was validated, it was programmed, all the necessary tools to ensure that accurate result is being delivered. School result is being delivered. They are all there. So that's how powerful Excel is. So I will have to end this tutorial. And there are some other couple of applications you can also do with Excel. You heard me even read them out during the explanation. What Excel can be used for? It can be used for a couple of things, like the data entry and others. It can be used for programming, for time management, task management, for accounting. can be used for accounting in banks. They use Excel can be used in banks, can be used in school for their accounting, monthly accounting, for their income, to track their income and expenditure. It can also be used in churches, in ministries, for their accounting. It can be used in hospital for their accounting department, and it also can also be used in school for the bursary, either the bursary department or the accounting department or the I.C.T department to be able to give to go about this making of these results, their school results. So that is about how powerful Excel can be. In a nutshell, Excel is one giant program everybody will like to be very close to, so as to make the world a better place. So at this moment we say thank you. In our next class, we'll be looking at the various tools to facilitate in processing Excel spreadsheet package. We have to look at the menu bar, the formatting bar, and every other necessary things, the various cells, active cells, the rows and column, and every other things you need to know to carry on with Excel tutorial, or to go about Excel tutorials. At this meeting, we say thank you for your time. Please, if you like this class, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to get our video whenever we post one. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, like, comment where necessary. Don't even forget to ask any question if you are not clear with any. At this medium, we say thank you for your time. God bless you. See you in our next tutorial. Have a nice time. From CONFIDE I.C.T. See you in our next tutorial.